Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be different. As you can see from the title, I will be building a custom keyboard. I will be linking the parts of the keyboard so you guys can check it out on the description below. Without further ado, sit back and enjoy this video. Starting off with the keyboard kit, we have the TM680 keyboard. There are 3 color varieties for this keyboard, which are black, white, and pink. I got the pink one because I think it will look really nice with the white keycaps. The TM680 has a hot swap PCB with a RGB lighting on the PCB itself, the sides, and the back of the case, which can be controlled with the volume knob. The kit also came with a switch puller and a braided USB Type-C cable. We're going to start off by modding the stabilizers. I used the stock stabilizers because when modded correctly, it turns out just as good as any other stabilizers. I thought I would get an extra pack of stabilizers after watching other YouTubers' videos, but I didn't get any. The stabilizers that were mounted on the board felt like it was glued onto it because it took me 10 minutes to stretch it out with my screwdriver. I'm just glad that the stabilizers are unlooped because it will be troublesome to wash and clean them. I didn't get a clip of me plucking the stabilizers furiously, but here's a clip of disassembling one of them because I have no other clips. Yeah. Then I will be doing the first mod, which is the Holy mod. I will leave a tutorial video link in the description by Hamagineo if any of you are interested. This mod will take a few tries to get it right and it might be frustrating at first, but I promise you the results are really worth it. I don't have anything else to say, so just sit back and listen to the music and enjoy the clip of my shadow covering the stabilizers most of the time. I will be lubing the stabilizers with Krytox 205G0. I actually got the lube for a really good price from Shopee, which I will be also leaving a link to that shop. I try my best not to apply too much lube on the housing and stem, whereas applying more on the wire. Next we have the switches. I got the Akko vintage white switches with an actuation force of 35 grams, which is really light for a linear switch. As we all know, the Akko switches come in a really nice box with their logo on it, and you can even use the plastic that stores the switches as a lube station. Since I don't have a switch opener, I'll be using my tweezers to open the switches. One thing that is different about this switch is that it has a really long spring, which made me struggle when I lubed them. After separating the switches and putting the parts in a plastic container that I found, I'll be lubing the switches with Krytox 205G0 as well for the whole switch. Last but not least, the keycaps. I got a Cherry Profile Sushi Team BBT keycaps. It came with an extra long space bar and a keycap puller. Then we have the keycaps, which are packed in 3 plastic layers. With all the keycaps assembled, here is the final build. So overall, this build is a budget build that costed around $80 excluding shipping. I really love how it turned out, and the only con so far is that I wasn't able to open up the case to format it, which made the board sound a little hollow. Nevertheless, the looks and sound of this board sounds pretty good, with the aqua vintage white switches, and the keycaps matches really well with the pink case. And yeah, that's all for this video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy. See you guys in the next one.